Hey everyone, welcome back. Got logged out of Lyft or just downloaded it and not sure how to get in? Here's exactly how to log in step by step. Takes about 20 seconds. First, download the Lyft app from the App Store. Go to your App Store and then search for the Lyft app and download the Lyft app if you already haven't. Once downloaded, open the app and then tap on Get Started. On the screen, enter your mobile phone number, including your country code, and then click Continue with Phone. After that, we will send you a 6-digit verification code as text message to that number. Go to your messages and find the text from the list with the code. Come back to the app and then enter it. After entering the code, you are fully logged in into your Lyft account. Your payment methods, ride history, and save places will be there. Lyft uses your phone number and a text code as you log in every time. There is no traditional password required. If you want to log in with email instead, tap Login with Email at the bottom of the screen and enter your account email and password. So all you've got to do is open the Lyft tab, tap Login, enter your phone number, then get the code by text, enter it, and you're in. Subscribe